Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane, my crafty friends. In this video, we're going to be DIYing the most adorable Dollar Tree craft. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tracy, and on this channel we love to DIY, craft, and we love a good life hack. So let's begin our project. We'll start our project with one of these MDF wreath rings. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to paint it black. And once we have it painted and it's dried, we're now going to need some of these chalkboard ornaments that are in a leaf shape. You can find them in the Crafter Square section at the Dollar Tree. I have 3 different leaves, but you can also do them with the same leaf pattern if that's all you can find at the store. And as you'll see, they have a hole for the hanger, which we'll address later. We then lay the leaves around the front part of our wreath ring, trying to figure out how they'll fit best. The layout is a very important step in this process. Then once we have them laid out the way we prefer them, we're going to hot glue them to our wreath ring. Once we have them all glued on, we're now going to cover the hanger holes in each leaf. And to do that, I decided to paint a strip of thumbtacks black with some matte black spray paint, trim off the pointy ends, and then glue them to the leaves to cover the holes. I think the thumbtacks covered the holes perfectly, and it added a great detail to our project. Now I'm going to be adding a welcome to my wreath, and it's going to be this little wood cutout I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to paint it white. But you can use whatever cutout word you prefer. I think home or hello would be adorable too. Once your word has been painted, then you'll just attach it to your wreath with some hot glue. I think it looks adorable just the way it is, but I'm going to come in and I'm going to add this buffalo check black and white ribbon. I found this in the Christmas department at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to make a fluffy bow and attach it to the top part of my wreath. We're then left with this adorable wreath for any season. But I'm going to be using mine for fall since it has the leaves. Now, if you can't find the chalkboard ornaments, you could also use the wood leaf cutouts that they have this year in the Crafter Square section in their fall department. I hope you enjoyed this craft as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. I also hope it inspires you to make one for yourself. Well, until next time, make sure and keep it crafty.